Hello, there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we are going to analyze the market for fundamentally, and market is going to move in next week with a lot of fundamental resources. And nowadays, market is moving with fundamental link up more than technical. Okay, so we have to keep our eyes on fundamental things also, and as per you can see there, market is going to move with fundamental factors, and we have a lot of fundamental news. That means red news, those are very important, so we have to take our look on all of those. So before we start, we need to understand, or we need to know about some basic thing about fundamental factors. Okay, and gold is always connected with USD. That means gold synonym is XAU and connected with USD. That's why we know gold as XAUUSD. So when we are going to trade gold, we need to focus or concern, or we need to concern about USD news. Okay, and there is two kind of news in the market. One of this is positive news, another one is negative news. And positive news means data come with positive value for USD, and for positive value we will sell gold. And negative news means data come with negativity, that means negative data come for USD, and in that case we will buy gold. You must be, Mr. Boom, why for positive news we will sell gold, why for negative news we will buy gold? Okay, let's get into that. And as per you can see there, we have two triangle. One of them is gold, that means XAUUSD, and another one is dollar. Suppose one triangle of XAUUSD is equal to 2500 triangle of dollar. Okay, you have to keep your concern two things, that is gold value is always fixed, that means constant, and USD value is changeable. Okay, that means currency value are changeable, and that is variable. And if we got 5%, okay, minus 5% news in USD, that means United States dollar. Okay, in that case we will minus 5% from this triangle, we will get that triangle. In that case, this gold triangle is bigger than USD triangle. In that case we will buy gold, and opponent will happen there, that means 5% plus with that triangle, and we will get bigger triangle in USD. In that case we will sell gold, that means gold is smaller. This is the simple thing, this is the fundamental thing. And let's drive into the news chart or economic chart. Okay, as you can see there, we have no major news in USD on Monday, so market may be going to move sideways, if except there is no Donald Trump specs, or there is no geopolitical issues and volatility issues like Russia Ukraine or Middle East tension or Venezuela's tension. Okay, and in Tuesday we have one news, WEF annual meeting. We have to wait for that meeting. If we got something for positive USD, for something like for positive for USD, we will sell gold. If we got something for negative USD, we will buy gold. This is the simplest thing. Okay, and in Wednesday we have 3 news, and 2 of them major, another meeting. Okay, President Trump expects, so we have to keep our concern on that thing. If Trump speaks about peace, or if Trump speak about reduction or tariff, we will sell gold. Okay, and if Trump speak about something more dangerous or wild, harmful, like they will attack on Iceland or Greenland, then we will buy gold immediately, because more instability in geopolitical issues, that means gold will fly more up. Okay, more peaceful agreement on geopolitical issues, or American related issues, there is more peace, mean gold will go down. Okay, this is the simplest thing. Okay, in Thursday we have one USD news, that means from economic calendar. If we got positive, we will sell gold. If we got negative, we will buy gold. Okay, in Friday we have flash manufacturing news, and we have flash service PMI, same thing we will apply there. Okay, and out of the box we can have some news without economic calendar, like Donald Trump can just post a truth on his social media platform like Truth Social, something better for USD, that means peaceful, we will sell gold. Something is not peaceful, we will buy gold. Okay, this is the thing. And there is one more thing, that is Fed. Okay, Fed specs, if Fed cut more interest rate, we will buy gold. If Fed add more interest rate, we will sell gold. This is the simplest theory, as per I know or as per I can explain. Okay, and there is a chart, you can take a screenshot to get more clear or to use that study purpose or learning purpose. Fundamental factors that drive gold more higher. Okay, if US dollar got weaker than before, another one is if there is high inflation, another is if geopolitical tension increased, and another one is if interest rate cuts, another one is central bank are buying gold, another one is economic uncertainty. That means there is volatility issue or something like tariff related issue, those things. And there is a lot of uncertainty in economic or geopolitical issues, like Donald Trump just want to take control for Iceland. Maybe there were some more country to take, just Donald Trump want to take them or want to grab this country. So you have to keep your concern all those things also. Okay, then you can trade easily. So right now 80% is fundamentally, that means market moving, 80% fundamentally and 20% technically, and this 20% are scalping for short term. That means in 5 minutes or 15 minutes or 30 minutes of or 1 hour time frame, you can take sell or buy depend on this technical chart. Okay, otherwise if you think about long term, you have to go fundamental. So that is the reason fundamental thing is important more than technical. Okay, so this is the thing, and I hope all things is clear now. For more query or for free signal, free chart analysis or free fundamental analysis, you may join public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. Mr. Boom signing out.